So as you're doing that, what do you notice? Did anyone notice anything? Anything become apparent to you while you were modifying or playing with it?
I was able to really feel my heartbeat as I was breathing. I don't know.
Really?
It's really cool.
But not in an uncomfortable way.
No, it's just like, it's like,
Oh.
cool. It's pumping.
Nice, good observation. What else? Anything else you noticed as you were you able to do the stomach a little more?
Yeah, it was weird though because I guess I just don't breathe like that. So like it wasn't like uncomfortable. It was just different.
Mm-hmm.
So it was hard to do.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't hard to breathe. You know?
The stress response, when it's on, yeah, that's some of the, you have certain symptoms that indicate, that are feedback, yeah, this is how stress shows up for me. And as soon as we do something that is natural, that is turning down the stress response, our body goes back to, oh, this is how I should feel. And it feels good. We really should, and I know nobody feels this way, but we should feel good most of the time. When we're in balance, when we're in homeostasis, we should feel good. We shouldn't have aches and pains and problems and that sort of thing. And so what we're trying to do here is figure out ways to get back there. Breathing is one of those most powerful ways. Now we're going to do an extended version of this. Oh yeah, go ahead.
So is deep breathing supposed to be normal for us?
If you need more air, yeah. If you're doing something where you need more air, when you say deep breathing, you mean like.
From the stomach, yeah, because you have to, pull in more.
So, does anyone in here sing? Taking singing lessons? You have? Did they teach you? How did your singing instructor teach you to breathe when you sing? With your stomach, right? Do you know why?
So that you're not using like your throat when you're trying to sing higher. Well, I was a soprano, so like when I was trying to sing higher notes, I tried to focus on using my abdomen instead of my throat, so that I could sing it better. But
So the tone would come out better, yeah. Same thing? Was that the case for you too?
We practice every week when I go to voice lessons. We practice
Breathing.
in and out.
Yeah. See, and so to help answer your question, I would say in every case, we want to have our breathing be deeper. We want to, except when you're working out. In every case, we want our breath to be this way in preference to this way. And so what we're going to do is just kind of practice this. So the focus of this is going to be entirely on your breathing. You're not going to focus on anything else, although your mind will wander off and you'll just bring it back. But it's going to look like this, and you're going to focus on the inhale and the exhale, trying to make it as deep as possible. So we've got the inhale and the exhale. And the only reason why we're going to do it this way is to keep our mind focused on the breath. Because if you just lie down and then you just said, okay, I'm going to breathe for the next 20 minutes, your mind would immediately bolt out to everything else that's going on, that later today or yesterday or whatever. So this is just designed, there's nothing magical about this. This is just designed to keep our mind focused. And so we're going to use numbers and words. We're going to start with the number 20. And as you inhale, you'll say the word 20, not out loud. You'll say it, what's the opposite of not out loud? In loud? Quietly. To yourself. What?
in your head.
In your head. That's the one I wanted. So you'll say 20. As you inhale, not a full inhale, but just an inhale to where you've got enough. And then you'll exhale, and you will say the word relax. And you'll do that to about 16. This is just to keep us focused. So inhale, 20, exhale, and you'll say, in your head, relax. And then you'll say, and in your mind you'll go 19, and relax. And then you'll get to, from 15 to 11, you'll say, quiet, or something like that. So you'll inhale, 15, and then the exhale, make it as long and as soft as you can make it. You'll say the word quiet. And then from 10 to 6, do, I don't know, calm. Let's try that one. And from 5 to 0, still. Just have that be your word as you're slowly as possible exhaling.